5 yoga poses for flat stomach and reduced belly fat. Yoga has many benefits in humans' life. It brings together physical and mental disciplines to achieve a peaceful body and mind. It helps manage stress and anxiety and keeps you relaxing. It also helps in increasing flexibility, muscle strength and body tone. It improves respiration, energy, and vitality. Let's start with yoga poses and its benefits. First, Paschimottanasana, seated forward bend pose. Calms the brain and helps relieve stress and mild depression. Improves digestion. Helps relieve the symptoms of menopause and menstrual discomfort. Second, Balasana, child's pose. Gently stretches the hips, thighs, and ankles. Calms the brain and helps relieve stress and fatigue. Relieves back and neck pain when done with head and torso supported. Third, Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Stretches muscles in the shoulders, chest and abdominals. Strengthens the arms and shoulders. Decreases stiffness of the lower back. Increases flexibility. Improves menstrual irregularities. Elevates mood. Fourth, Adho Shvanasana, downward facing dog pose. Calms the brain and helps relieve stress and mild depression. Energizes the body. Relieves menstrual discomfort when done with head supported. Helps prevent osteoporosis. Stretches the shoulders, hamstrings, calves, arches, and hands. Strengthens the arms and legs. Fifth, Padahastasana, hand under foot pose. It makes the body very flexible. It stretches the back and leg muscles. It helps to eliminate excess belly fat. It improves digestion and reduces constipation. It eliminates many stomach ailments. It makes the spine flexible and tones the nerves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.